Good afternoon, everyone. Michael Ingerfeld here. I'm getting over a bit of an upper respiratory infection here, but I'm finally going to try to make a post here. Hopefully I can get through this without coughing. I ran across this article, and it's pretty exciting. It's non-invasive mapping of epileptogenic networks predicts surgical outcome. And this article is out of the Oxford academic journal Brain, and the research was done by Dr. Christos Papadelis at the Jane and John Justin Institute for Mind Health and Cook's Children's Health Care System. And his team, in conjunction with researchers from Boston Children's, conducted this research. What the research is for surgical candidates with drug-resistant epilepsy. And the study was conducted over a 4-year period of time, looking at a novel approach to a method of non-invasive mapping of epileptogenic networks. That's a mouthful. So these networks in the brain were identified as pathological hubs in the brain of the patients with this drug-resistant epilepsy. This is about 10% of the patients that have this drug-resistant epilepsy that's surgical candidates. These patients were being evaluated for surgical intervention, and what the researchers did was through MEG and high-density EEG, they reconstructed brain signals with similar functional connectivity features with those obtained invasively through intracranial EEG. And these predicted non-invasively the epileptogenic zone and the patient's surgical outcome, even in the absence of frank epileptiform activity. They were able to reach better outcomes than conventional source localization, and they believe this is a predictor of better surgical intervention and outcomes. So this is a pretty exciting breakthrough in surgical planning, and I look forward to seeing the further development of this and in the utilization of it in the future. I'll leave a link in the description to the article so that you can read it for yourself, and I hope you enjoy it. We'll talk to you soon.